It's Miss Maddie here from the Lake Hazel Library for Preschool Art, and today we are doing leaf stamping. So the first thing you're going to need, obviously, is a piece of paper. I'm just using white construction paper. You can use however big or however small you want. I also have here 2 colors of paint. You can use whatever color of paint you want and as many colors as you want, but I'm using fall colors today, so orange and yellow, which is what the leaves tend to turn to in the fall. And I have a butter knife here, a plastic butter knife. You can use one of these with permission from mom and dad if you want to, or you can use a paintbrush, whichever works and whichever is better for you to spread the paint around on the leaves. All right, and finally, last but not least, we have the most important part of this project, which is the leaves themselves. So I found these in our parking lot because we have lots of trees, and so they were on the ground. So when you are looking for leaves, you can find a nearby tree or a bush, and if you look around it on the ground, you might be able to find some leaves. Now, when you're looking for leaves, make sure that they are still a little bit fresh, so they're a little bendy. If they're dry and crispy, they might break when you try to use them and try to paint with them. So bendier leaves that have fallen from a tree or a bush are the best ones to use. So I'm gonna start with one of these guys here, nice and big. And if you look at the leaf, you can see all of these different little veins in the stem that come off the stem, and we're going to see those a lot more when we add paint to them and put them on paper. So I'm going to start with some orange, and I'm just going to gently spread some orange. You don't want to completely cover the leaf, so you still want to be able to see some of those veins, and you just spread it out. And it's okay if you get a little paint on your hands. Also, make sure you wear clothing that you're okay with possibly getting paint on, because that might happen. Okay, I got spread it around here. If I have too much, I like to take some of it off because I don't need all of that. All right, and then I'm going to take the leaf and put the paint side down on my paper. Make sure you press on it gently and kind of tap it with your fingers. You don't want to move it around because then you won't get a cool leaf stamp out of it. It'll just look like a big smudge. So tap, 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 just like that. And then you wait a couple seconds, and when you're ready, you gently peel it up. So my leaf has a little stem on the end of it, so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to gently pull it from the bottom up. And that one is done. And there's my first leaf stamp. It's pretty cool, huh? So what I'm going to do next is take another leaf, and this time we're going to do some yellow, and it's okay if your colors mix a little bit. If you don't want your colors to mix, you can use a different paintbrush and some water to clean the paintbrush off. But in this case, I'm okay with the orange mixing with the yellow because it can add some really cool marble effect on the leaf. All right. Okay, so that's my second one, and I'm gonna put it right next to it. Tap, 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 tap. Make sure you get all of it touching the paper. Tap, 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 tap. All right, I think that's good. And then what do? Take our fingers, go to the stem, and gently pull it from the bottom up until it's all the way off. And there's the second one. So what you can do, you can try this with all sorts of colors. You can mix colors on the leaves if you want to. You can make a huge pattern and put them everywhere or put them close to each other, however you want to do it. But when you're done and you let it dry, you can come back to it and take a look at the artwork you've made and hang it up on the fridge or on your wall. It makes very nice fall decor. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoy leaf stamping. Have a great day. Bye.